Okay, I'm in even worse condition than I was yesterday, so, but have less stuff to do, so I think a 2,000 problem should be fine. Yeah, let's do 2,000. Let's see what looks good. Yeah, I wish I knew how to sort. So let's do that one. I'm aiming for, I think 90 minutes is reasonable with Sam in right now. This is, I assume, could be Div 1. It's a weird rating for it. Either Div 1 or Div 2. And of course it's going to be slow. I wonder how fast this is when I'm recording. When I'm not recording, it's like 2 seconds, and now it's a bit over, but doesn't matter too much. This is the main thing that makes it slow. Like the rest of this stuff, I checked, it's negligible. So, like if you look at, what's his name? Where is he? This guy, and you look at his submissions. He does it all like this, so that's probably faster, but I can't be bothered to do that, I guess. Yeah, I should probably add some pragmas this to like my template, but and he uses C++ 17, which I think is suboptimal. There's probably some reason he does it. Or maybe it's, what does he actually do in contests? Yeah, he still uses C++ 17 in contests. But anyways, let's just do this question now. It's a probability question. Well, I guess let's look at an example. So I think essentially it's either the possibility of or just straight dynamic programming working some way. Well, I mean, we can count the number of these things. And so I guess in this example, the first example, there's 2 zeros and 1 1. And the goal is to choose unsorted elements and figure out the value of this. And yeah, this is diff 1. Oh, surprised it's only 2000 rated. To be honest, this looks a bit complex, but I guess there's probably a simple solution. We don't want that. Oh. Oh, so for example, for this one, there's 4 1s and 2 zeros, and a fixing operation takes a 0 from like this area and swaps it with no, it takes a 1 from this area and swaps it with a 0 from this area. And then you just have to figure out the probability of that. And for this one, yeah, so in the first case, takes a 1 from this area and swaps it with a 0 from this area. So we need to calculate the probability of that happening. Let's just consider the probability of that happening in one case. I guess first of all we can think of like how many actual swaps we need to do. So we need to swap 2 combinations. And we need to swap 1 combination here. I don't think like the actual order in this matters too much. So let's just do LN and yeah, 200,000. So I think we can sort that. I don't think it's worth doing bit tests. So let's just do. Yeah, we can definitely sort like a vector bool, but I don't think that's. Actually, does this even? I wonder, does this work? Vector bool. Let's just do print. I'm going to delete this right after, but I just want to see if like. Yeah, I'm not exactly the most knowledgeable in what's this, C++. And then yeah, multiple test cases. So what this should do is give me what I wanted. But anyways, we don't want that. What we want to do, however, is... Yeah, I don't even think we have to do this. We just have to count... No, we do want to do this. So there'll always be 2x like wrongly sorted elements, I think. So if we define I'll just put sorted A, then sort so there should always be an even number of wrongly placed elements. Is that true? I think it is, anyways. And then we want count of 0 and count of 1. So add C0, C1. And we want an iterator as well. For I equals 0, I is an n, I plus plus. C plus equals I'll just do C1 plus equals AI then bad plus equal what is it again? Say I yeah, I'll just see if this works. Yeah, I really need to do templates for this as well. Oh, I'm doing this leisurely as well. Yep. I'm gonna initialize all this. Yeah, it works when I like do it afterwards. It's just like if I do another line, then it'll start annoying me. But if I like do another line at this mode. Two bad, zero bad, four bad. Count zero, count zero, count zero. Yep, that works. So now we just need to consider the expected value to get like a combination. From the first and a combination from the second, so let's just do L bad 2 equals bad divided by 2. And then so how many combinations are there in total? That would just be like N2. And NCR2 NCRN2 is N minus 1, I think. 2. Yep, because like if you have 3, then there's 3 combinations. That's 3 times. Yeah, I always forget these things, but yeah, it doesn't matter anyways. So there's N2 combinations, and the probability of getting a good one, is there like a something? Yeah, the probability of getting a good combination, well, how many good combinations are there? So that's bad 2. We want to select one from each cell. The NCR, yeah, I have to do NCR like mod stuff, so we have C0 that times C1 that, and then we just like iterate it over those expected values, and then we have to do modular arithmetic. So where's mod? Okay, NCR modulo. Yeah, we want to pre-calculate factorial. Oh, this is annoying. Let's do this myself. Yeah, we only want up to 200. I'll just. It's probably just best to do const. I don't know. This works right. It's probably gonna. So we want to pre-calculate the factorials. Fx 250,000. Let's just see if this works. Yeah, I see that works. Anyways, that we have all those facts. Then you want to calculate NCR. Where's divide? Oh, why is this in Python? Disgusting. Oh. I really hope this doesn't time limit. Let's just see if this works. I'll comment this out right now. I can't actually do that. Turn. Move. Oh, it checks out to me. So we have all that. Then just define a mod div. Oh. Then what's the NCR formula? And let's make this inline. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't really know what inline does, but so we want T2 times 3. Yeah, I'm scared of operator precedence, so yep. So now we know what we need to do, and then I think it's just iterating downwards, so So the probability of it being the correct one, I think we determined is NCRCO bad times NCRC1 bad over total combinations is N. No, it's not even that. It's just C0. Yeah, it's not even that. It's just C0 over bad. No, bad over C0. Yeah, the probability of just choosing what is just bad over is bad over C1. Yeah, I don't even need to deal with NCR, do I? Oh, so then the expected number of times is C0, C1 over bad squared. And then I just do that while bad is 0. Yeah, so all this NCR nonsense is not necessary. Well, maybe it was, but I guess I have it there just in case. What right? Oh, that's what went wrong here. What's this stuff that I shouldn't be printing out? The nice thing about C++ is it doesn't mind if you do like 2 semicolons, so I don't have to worry about that. 2, 0. What did I do wrong here? So in the first test case, C0 is... Can we still calculate like this now? that would be why. So I can't actually just do simply like that, because C. Yeah, just I thought this is. Yeah, I'm not in the best condition right now. We have N2 different pairs we can select, and the amount of good pairs is. Bad. Well, we have how many choices? So it's just 2 bad squared. Let's try that. Oh yeah, it should be bad too. I think it's because the probability of selecting one is. Oh yeah, it's just C, just bad divided by, so. This is probably gonna fail. Yep. Because in the case that bad too. Yeah, this is just bad 2 times. Okay, yep, that's the answer. My god, am I slow though? This, well, I assume this will accept. It might not though. But regardless, I don't think that this question should have taken that long. And this being a Div 1C is a bit suspicious. Would you mind to complain? No, but if Div 2D was tricky, but then Div... It was just this easy Div 2E then. Okay, come on, load. Maybe I go to the contest page. I think there's like some 3D trick or something. 3F that made it load fast. Yep, and sometimes when it takes so long to load, you can actually do it like that. I mean, the source code field is unclickable, so you have to submit it. Oh wait, now I have to choose it again because if I do that, it resets. Yep, and that's done.